Hello, Asimio? Hello, Asimio? Hello, welcome back to my channel. I do not know what I am doing. I know this is supposed to go to my phone, but I do not know how to use this microphone. It came with a ring light and yeah, I do not know how to use it. So, welcome back to my channel. The only reason I am at the beginning of a house hunting video is so that I cannot give up on asking you guys to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe because I've been on these streets of YouTube for like 1 million years. In fact, I have more videos than some of the people who started yesterday and they have 50, 100 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers, and then there's me. Hata 500 kupata ni shida. Like, what do I need to do? What can I nifanye nini? So subscribe to, even if you don't like my content, just subscribe so that you can unatoa tithe na subscription. Does that even make sense? Tithe to kanisa, please. Anywho, welcome back to my channel. The house that I am doing today is the 3-bedroom in the same compound with the 1-bedroom that I did. So it's a very private area. It's a place where people go and build houses for themselves. And for some people, they build nice houses that they can rent out. This compound has only 4 houses. One bedroom, two bedrooms, and 1 3 bedroom. And I was about to go and do the 2 bedroom, but then um, on the day I was supposed to go, it got occupied. Both of them, they got occupied. That's how hotcake these houses are. Lakini, still subscribe to Ninini. Ninini. This is my face without makeup. In the next video I'm going to reveal what is under. I'm so embarrassed to show you guys what is under this wig. What is that? Okay, enjoy your video. And subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe.